Good day guys, and welcome to today's video. Now I have a trade manager here which has helped me tremendously improve my trading. I recently started trading manually and I discovered this tool to be like the holy grail of entering into trades in a very little time. And as little as 3 seconds you can be able to open a trade and manage a trade properly. Now I'm just going to show you guys what I mean. Normally if you want to open a trade in Mt5, say you want to open an instant order, you have to click on your new order. Then you have to first of all determine your stop loss, and then the next thing you need to do is to determine the lot size you can use by opening sites to calculate the lot size, which I'm not going to do in this video, but you already get how hard it is. And if you are trading on lower time frames or even trading on like 15 minutes, 1 hour time frame, sometimes you're going to miss the optimum trade entry, which can define your profitability or unprofitability. Now this little tool here, I know it doesn't look like much, actually has the ability to open any type of order you want and manage your trades in any way you want, including trailing stops and so on. And I'm going to be giving you guys a full on demonstration in this video, and if you want to get it, click the link in the description. Now first of all, you're going to see the hide and show button, and if these lines are not showing, you can just click on it. It either hides or shows the trade. Now the first type of thing we need to do is to change the trading from pending order. You can see this line here, pending order. If I click it, you see it's red now, it's on market order, and you can easily just drag your stop loss to anywhere you want. Now for this case, it's looking like a buy because we have the stop loss down here, so we can drag this line anywhere we want, and once we click on send, you can easily be able to send this order to the market, right? Now just like that, you get entered with the perfect risk. Now you can see here we got the risk percent, which is 0.5. You can change this risk percent to be any percent you like. The next thing is the account balance. The account balance, you can also change your account balance in case you don't want to risk exactly as it is. Now, what if you wanted to enter a sell? I can just close out on this trade. I click on hide and show, because immediately a trade gets open, it hides automatically. I can drag this stop loss line above, and then you watch what happens to the take profit. It goes below. Now, just like this, I can put my stop loss wherever I want and get the particular entry I want just by clicking on send. And then just like that, the trade gets opened for me below here within matter of seconds. Okay, so this is like for the buy and sell order. Very easy to get and very easy to take. Okay, I'm just gonna close this one now to show you other types. Now once I show this line, and you remember the first type is the pending orders, I can create any type of pending order. For example, if the entry was below the price and the stop loss was here, and I click on send, it's going to open a buy stop, and look at how I got tapped in immediately. Just a buy stop because I want price to break out before I take the trade, and you see this buy stop gets executed. I don't know if this trade could run a little bit, so I can show you guys the management styles you can do. Now the first management style is to break even, which is given by this particular button here. If I want to break even a trade, I can just click on that button and it's going to break even. Sadly, price hasn't really moved a lot, but even if I click on break even now, you're gonna see the stop loss gets moved to the entry price right here. Another thing we could do if we don't want to break even immediately, we can go ahead and add a partial line. Now, how do I add a partial line? At this top corner of the panel, you can see close, where you can close partials, and you can see OK. And if I just click on OK, it's gonna close part of the trade. So in case you are up by some profits, you click on the close button on the OK here, it's going to close 50%. Now, if you want to close 100%, that's the whole trade, you can just type in 100%. Just depending on the percent of the trade you want to close. If you want to close 30%, you can just type in 30%. And just by clicking OK, you can see it instantly closed a partial right here for me. Just as simple as that. Now, if you don't want to be around when it's going to close the partial, that is the use of this plus button. And once I just click on this plus, you can see that a new line appears. Don't worry, you can customize these lines, and I can move these lines to other displays or anywhere I want. And okay, the price is now moving, so I just show you guys the functionality immediately. I can put this line here, and once I click on, this line is now on, and you see, can you see what happened? Immediately it got to that price, it closed the partial and it broke us even. Remember, we're not broken even in the beginning. So this is how you can easily manage your trades and make more money from your trades. And of course, if you click on the break even right now, it's going to break you even instantly. If you still want to take some more partials, maybe you want to close another 30% of your trade, you can type in 30% here or just click on OK. You see, another percent of your trade gets closed. Now let's say your TP is down here and you still want to take partials. Around here you can still take another partial. Around here, just click on plus, and you don't have to be at the chart, guys. Drag it down. Once you click on plus and you drag it down, it's not active until you click on, so the manager knows what you want to do. These are some of the functionalities. For the trailing stop, just like now that the trade's in profit, I just click on off. I can take this line to the above price and then click on, and then all I have to do is to be trailing price with it. Trailing price with it. I know this doesn't look too cool because we are not really in profits, but when you're in large profits, you can carry this line and be trailing the price as you want, so that whenever price goes above it, your partial will be closed, just like this. You see that? It gets closed. So these are the ways you can manage trades. Let's say maybe you were taking a very nice buy. Maybe you are selling from all these zones here. You can just be trailing this stop here, trailing it until you eventually get stopped out of a percentage. This is not a 100% trail, it's a percent you input in this box here. Now I'm just going to close these trades and we're going to look at other types. I'm just going to click on remove this line here. We have different types of orders. Let's show the lines. If you carry this price above here, guess what it's going to open? It's just going to open a sell limit, send, and you see sell limit. I showed you guys sell stop, just depending on how you place the stop loss and the take profit. Now the blue line is for the entry and the red line is for the stop loss. So depending on how you place it, you're going to see your take profit pop up. Now if you're a trader that doesn't use take profits, you can click on this take profits bar here. You can see I click on it, it removes take profit, so you don't actually have to always enter a take profit. Now what if you're a trader who trades a 1 to 2 type of setup? You just have to come to this risk to reward place here, put 2 and then click on enter, and then make sure you put your take profit to be on. Now if you move your stop loss, you could see that price is magneted to the 1 to 2 area. Even if you put it on a market order, you just have to get the right take profit, and once you click on send, it just sends your order within seconds. You don't have to imagine and think of how you're going to get entries and how you're going to manage risk. In very few buttons and clicks, you can easily enter orders. So if you like this tool and you want to get it, it is in the link in the description. And one more thing before I just end the video, you can also know when you have enough money to take a trade, guys. Let me show these lines. Now let's say I put the risk of 10% on this my account, right? You can see the lot is 40 and it's red. Why is it red? Because you don't have enough money to open this trade. So whenever this lot place is showing red, it's just telling you that, okay, right now your trades can't be opened because you don't have enough money to open this trade. But when you actually expand it enough, depending on how you are, you can see it's green now because you can take this trade. And usually it's when you're over risking, it's going to show that red and you know that your trade is not going to be opened. So this is just like a cool way to keep yourself in check, keep your risk management in check, and keep making a cool Forex money. So as usual, I'm not going to promote something I don't use by myself. This has actually helped my trading. That's why I'm sharing it here. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Stay safe and keep on getting the greens, guys. Thank you.